What's going on YouTube? It's Marvin and I'm back again. I'm really excited for this video if I'm honest. As you can see from the title, you're going to see exactly what is in my camera bag. This video has been done many times before, but this time in my video, what I want to do is I want to take you out. So I want to show you why I'm using the equipment in my bag. So it's not just going to be me sitting here bored. I know we're in lockdown, but we get time to go and have a walk. At the same time, I'll take out my camera gear. I'll only be shooting with M, someone who is in my bubble, away from other people, so we are not disturbing everyone else. So yeah, I'm really excited. When I come back, I'll cover over everything that I didn't show in the video and briefly explain why it's kept in my camera bag. Just to clarify, this is only my preference. You don't necessarily need to keep everything in your bag the same way that I do. This is just how I prefer to work. Go on then. So I hope you like the video. I hope it's useful to you. Let's go.
Let me take the friction from your lips. And I'ma love you, girl. Doing me.
So we're on location. The first thing that I have in my bag, I've taken it out already, is my microphone, simply because I need to use it. But yeah, it's the Rode microphone, little lav mic. Pretty inexpensive, but definitely essential for a channel like this. First things first, I've got my camera stuck to the Peak Design clip. I've got an AD200 in my bag. I've got one of my flashes here. Let's set up and let's go. I have got my trolley with me. This isn't part of the what's in my camera bag. It's just because I couldn't carry this and I thought it would be a lot easier. I'll show you everything else that I haven't covered when I get home. But I've got two light stands. I've got a nice softbox. Because of the weather, it's about to start raining and it's very overcast. That is why I've decided to take out two lights and I've had to bring the trolley. If not, I just would have bought one stand and one set of lights. Right, okay. Right, so I'm probably gonna get you like here.
Desu! Shit on it!
Oh, Martin!
Shit. Oh no, I've f***ed it. I think I might have f***ed it. Yeah, I f***ed it a little bit. I've bent the metal. Yeah, probably, but I won't do it here. Oh shit. Lucky you saw that. So far this is a bit of a nightmare, but let's do it. That's how it always goes, isn't it? Right. Yeah. So a little bit more that way. Just, yeah, up there. Right, I need to sort my settings out, so, yeah. Huh? Yes, you look beautiful. I guarantee you do. I don't chat shit. I don't chat shit.
Why are you crying?
Right, so ISO 100, f2.8, out at 180 millimeters. Right, so for some reason, you're illuminated from here, but the back isn't doing it. Okay, so I need more ambient light by the looks of it. Up my ISO. Yes, that's better. but then I need to put the top one on TTL. The reason why I'm doing that is because M is coming out too bright. So I'm going to use TTL, hopefully in my advantage. To my advantage. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Yeah, come and have a look. You like it? Good. Hang on. Put your jacket on quickly. I'm not going to stand in it. I'm looking at it. I do not want to have shit on me. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, have a look quickly while I set up this light. I really like them. It's the first time I've actually done this and been happy with the immediate results.
I don't like the pose. I like that one.
Yeah.
Much better.
The rim light is not showing. Rim light, hair light, same thing. Yes. Good job. Bring those arms down. Yeah, that's good. Okay, I think we got that shot. Do you know what? I think I stepped in some, but not from there. I don't know. Can't really see your legs as much, but that's okay. Right, I don't think that last one fired. Hang on. Oh my God. It finally, all this time, that wasn't firing. And it finally fired and I noticed it. So annoying. That thing is so annoying. Sometimes it's not firing. I don't want to send you down there because I don't want you to step in anything. It's not firing. It's a piece of shit. Either that or this is dying. One of the two. That's really nice. Good job. I can see some of the ones where it's firing, and if it bloody fired, it would look so good. Yeah, I'm just pissed off with my flash. It's just not. Right, guys, it's a wrap, but it's shit, literally. Good job I've got extra shoes in the car. What a pain in the ass that was. That was a pain in the ass. I don't know why I decided I wanted to do it this way. I don't know why I didn't just humble myself and sit my ass at home, but it was fun. It was a good experience anyway. I enjoyed it. Em, did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
As I mentioned in the last video, lockdown has just been crap. So it's nice to be able to get out and do something. So what I will do is continue the video. So I used the GoPro Seeker Bag. My sister got this for me for my birthday. At first, I said it out loud. I wanted the bag. I just forgot about it and I didn't expect her to still have that in her mind. She went out, she got it for me. So I was gonna give the bag back because of space. It wasn't big enough. When I was asking her, I was using the GoPro more. And then once she did get it, I was using the mirrorless body system more. So it just wasn't big enough. But I added a couple of different features on this bag, which changed it for me. So my Peak Design strap, I've got right on the top here, and I've just tied it right onto the shoulder of the bag. And then I've also got the Peak Design clip right here. So I don't have to put my camera in my bag. If I'm going and I'm doing a natural light shoot, then I will use my A6400, which is right here, and I'll put that inside the bag with whatever lenses I need. And then I will vice versa, whichever one, use the Peak Design clip that's on the A7R4, and I will clip that onto my bag. On the other side, it's got some space for carabiners, in which my light that did not perform very well today will sit on. So it'll just hook on right here and it's nice and easy. I've got a flash with me in case I don't have any immediate space in my bag. The chest strap, so I had a GoPro chest strap before. All of the strap points are already on the bag. Yeah, there's a couple that sit here on the bag, and then there's a couple that sit permanently on the straps, and I've got POV whenever I need it. Right, so the actual important stuff in the bag. Let's start off with cards. This is for white balancing. I pull out the gray card all the time, set my white balance, and I'm ready to shoot video. Really and truly, I don't use it when I'm shooting photos, but it's nice to do it anyway if you've got time, because that way your pictures are gonna look the best they can be immediately, and you don't have to worry about are you getting your colors right and stuff like that. So right up in the top, I've got quite a lot of stuff in here. This is where I keep my batteries. So I've got a battery pack. Generally speaking, I'll just throw the batteries in there and I'm good to go. I've got an SSD small hard drive in here, all microfiber cloths. Tethering holds. We got some tape. You never know when you might need some tape. This is really handy. I don't hear a lot of people talking about this. I must say that I don't use it as much as I used to, but a Sony remote, so useful. Caps, I've got about 3 USB sticks, but this is all memory stuff, all backup stuff, all functionality type stuff. Micro SD card, 128 gigs. And then I've got a spare Pro Grade in here as well. Right, getting into the main part of the bag. So we have seen the front, we have seen the top section, we have seen the outside of the bags. I also forgot that you can fit a laptop in here. It's a ThinkPad. It's the T4AES. I'll put some specs on the screen just to kind of give you some information. As my camera is currently on 6% and dying, not GoPro, but it's an Anker power bank. Anker are really good. I've never I don't feel like there is a loss in power and quality. I'm gonna go into cables now since I'm here, and I've got a really long micro USB cable. This is always coming in clutch. This is always trusty. I've got a little converter here, so I can use it USB-C to, I can't remember what, USB mini USB? Can't remember what it's called. Okay, right, we're charging. We're on 2%. I shouldn't have left it to go that low. But by the way, I forgot to say, my camera bag will change. This is probably just the more normal setup that I have. Sometimes I take out the lights, sometimes I take 2 bodies, sometimes I take my camera grip, sometimes I take more lenses. For what I mentioned in the last video, portraiture wise, this is what I want to have in my bag more often. In here, I have my 8200 Pro. So we got a couple of these things that I didn't really know what they did for ages, and then realized that they had the little units to stick the gels on. So I got those, the cheap generic godox stuff, but seem to work well enough for me. If I'm honest, I don't really need to carry around these units because I do not use the bare bulb. I'll try and show you. I don't usually use the bare bulb very often, but yeah, you got your bare bulb here, and then this is just the unit to change the head of the AD. X Pro, S for Sony, of course. And this is my transmitter. Now, I think I need to change my batteries because something was letting me down today. It was either the V860-2, I think it's called, or it was my transmitter not having enough power in it. Somewhere along the line today, one of them let me down because there were a lot of shots that I feel like I missed. The shoot wasn't bad. The only bad part is that I dropped the softbox, of course, and it bent the sprongs or whatever you want to call them. But yeah, I'm gonna look into this and I'm gonna change the batteries so that I know this doesn't happen again. Right, digging deeper into the bag. I'm actually surprised, as I mentioned, the space of it. I was looking at other bags, I can't remember what they're called now. They were expensive, and I looked at the size in relation to, I know the GoPro bag is shaped differently, but I was looking at the size and there wasn't that much difference. I bought another bag and it didn't quite work, so I returned it. And then after I got that Peak Design clip, it made the world of difference. These are from Styling Stitches, M's business. Let me looking over here. She has sewn these for me. They carry all of my stuff in it when I need it all in one place. USB-C, I've got an iPhone charger because your iPhone is important as hell. If you're with a client and you don't want to pull out your laptop, but you want them to see a preview of the images, you can leave your phone right up there, and you can, if it needs power, then you've got your power bank, but you can leave your phone there and they could get a snippet of what's going on, what they're getting. This little baby, so it's like a little, you know the drill. Opening boxes all the time, protect yourself. Haven't had to protect myself yet, so that's fine. Got some pliers here. Other side, bottle openers. Last but not least, I just cut my fingernails, so this is really hard. This little end here, what this does is right in the back of the case. Multi-heads for some screws. Bottom of your bag, you've always got something that can help you out and get you out of a tough situation if need be. Put a little white, I've got two of these. I put a little white hairband on one of them to know that this is the battery one, because I kept on pulling it out, expecting the other one and always getting the battery one. So inside here, I've got the cable for SD card transfer to iPhones. It works when it wants to work. So I've just got like little Peak Design clips and stuff like that. And the other bag, 72mm variable ND from Gobe. Oh, I thought I got the third grade or the best grade ND glass. Clearly I didn't. On the polarizer I have though, a little brush to clear up my lens and my sensor, rocket blower, whatever you want to call it. Macro tubes. I must say I used these for about a couple of weeks and didn't use them again, if I'm honest. Right, so that is the, wait, hang on. We're done. That's it. That's all that's in my camera bag. Let me know if your bag is similar to this or what you would change, what you would take out. I hope you liked the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully I will be uploading every week whilst we are in lockdown. So if there's anything that you want to know or you want to see in relation to what I did today, if you want me to elaborate on anything, then just, of course, let me know in the comments. Right, thanks for watching. Peace.